Hello, I'm Joe Prusa, the CEO of Prusa Research, and this is Signature Oak, an exclusive limited 3D printer enclosed in a wood from 100-year-old oaks. It blends cutting-edge technology with traditional Czech woodworking skills. I grew up with scent of sawdust. My father was a carpenter, and his workshop was my world. I remember watching his hands, shaping raw timber into something beautiful, time and time again. There's an honesty to working with wood. It's physical and demanding. There's nothing quite like it. When I started building 3D printers more than 15 years ago, it felt similar in many ways. Some models even had wooden frames. But the industry moved on, chasing steel and plastic. Still, I had this idea in the back of my mind, to blend the technology of 3D printers with the soul of traditional craftsmanship. That's why our partnership with JELÍNEK feels right. Like us, they are a family business, and our families have known each other for years. Their legacy is built on 120 years of honest hard work. They use only the best materials and process them with the experience perfected since 1897. Together, we've taken the components of a Prusa printer and wrapped them in a beautiful handcrafted wooden enclosure. And we are only making 250 of these, each personally signed. This is a celebration of manual work, of premium quality and traditional Czech craftsmanship. It's the most beautiful 3D printer we have ever created.